This tutorial is going to walk you through the Coffee Commune portal and how to navigate and access each section. The first thing you need to do is go to the top right-hand corner and click Login, and once logged in, it will show My Account. If you hover over My Account, it will show My Orders, Update Profile, Update Password, and Logout. In the top banner of tabs, the first tab is What's New. This is our member notice board. Here it will be updated frequently with what's coming up in the next week or month, our member community, which shines a spotlight on members at the Coffee Commune and will also show new members to the community, and our retail column, which will show our weekly specials at the cafe and our cafe opening hours. If you scroll down, it will also show our most recent articles and blogs, a quick link to our bookings feature, and then also to our learning feature. The second tab is About Us, which gives a description on the Coffee Commune and what we're about. Our Services tab, which is where you're able to sign up as a member and learn more about our green beans and roasting. Our Learn tab is where you're able to access our Learning Academy and Thought Leader series features. Events tab, which is where you're able to book an event as a member. Blog to see the most recent articles. Contact, which is where you're also able to see our opening hours for the cafe and our contact information. And Book, which has book a room, book a roaster, and book a tour. If you go to the top right-hand corner and click My Account, this will take you to your account page. If you click Shop, this will also then take you to our Shop feature. Here on My Profile, it gives you an overview of your membership with your name, the type of membership, and your membership number. This overview also gives you information on bookings you've recently made, upcoming events you've registered for, and your orders. On the left-hand side, the different tabs, we have our Bookings tab, which shows bookings that you've made, Orders tab. Our Members feature is where you're able to look up different members in the Coffee Commune. It's a directory where you're able to access information and contact different people. Here it pops up with their members' details, and if you'd like to categorize, you can choose different industry that you're needing, and it will pop up with the different members that are part of that industry. The next tab on the left is our Courses tab, which will show courses that you've enrolled in. Settings, which is where you're able to say yes or no to being searched as a member in the member directory. And your subscription, which, for example, mine is a cafe owner's subscription. And that's how you navigate the portal.